Nature of image formed by convex mirror at different position of object. So first case at infinity. See here it is convex mirror. Here its focus, center of curvature. Focus and center of curvature lies towards the polished face, and here it is infinity. So we will take only two cases for the convex mirror. Either object is kept at infinity or object is kept between infinity and pole. Correct? So suppose first case, when object is at infinity, and when object is at infinity, then incident rays may supposed parallel to the principal axis. And if they coming parallel to the principal axis, then it appear to passes through focus. And the nature of convex mirror, as you know, it is diverging, so it get diverge outward. Yes. So image appear to form at focus. Image appear to form at focus. It is behind the mirror, so it is virtual, erect, point size, and magnification again, height of image by height of object. So height of image point size, so that is 0. So 0 upon height of object is nearly 0. Second case, when object is kept between infinity and pole, anywhere between pole and infinity, it is pole. Suppose object is kept here, A, B. One incident ray coming parallel to principal axis, where, as you know, it will appear to passes through focus after reflection. Its nature is diverging, it diverge, and it appear to coming through focus. Other incident ray coming along the direction of focus. So as you know, after reflection it become parallel to principal axis. So here suppose it is M, N, Q, and suppose here R. See here we have two reflected ray, Mn and Qr. If we increase both reflected ray along reverse direction, then they appear to meet at suppose A dash. Here it is B dash. A dash is the corresponding point of A. So images appear to form between pole and focus. See here it is erect. So images appear to form between pole and focus. It is erect. It is virtual. It is smaller than object, and its magnification, height of image positive, height of object positive. So yes, magnification will be positive, but height of image is less than height of object, so magnification is less than +1. See, is very clear. When object is at infinity, then image is formed exactly, appear to form at focus, point size. But as object approaches the convex mirror, see here, image starts shifting from focus to pole. From focus to pole. But in each and every position of object, image lies between pole and focus, always smaller than object, always erect, always virtual, and its magnification is always less than +1. So see here, object as approaches the convex mirror, image shifted from focus to pole. So it's about the image formation by convex mirror. That's it.